This sound activation is for those feeling senseless and sure. Over the next few minutes, you'll be gently guided by music, words, and breath to align yourself with the astrological energies shaping this moment. So settle in, close your eyes, and let this sound carry you exactly where you need to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Dear friends, each day we gather here, hearts from every corner of the globe, to share a breath, a quiet pause, and send the light of our love into a dark world. Breathe in. Breathe out. Today, we send the light of our love to those being pulled towards something they can't fully explain. To the ones who feel the tug, but can't name the destination, and are being asked to act on instinct, not instruction. Breathe in. Breathe out. To those whose feet are moving before the mind has finished deliberating. We send our light to everyone standing at the edge of a decision that doesn't make sense on paper, but burns with a knowing that won't be reasoned away. May the pull be permission enough. I trust the direction my body already knows. I stop waiting for logic to catch up with what my soul has chosen. I let myself want what I want without shrinking it to fit. I honor the wildness in me as wisdom, not recklessness. I act now, knowing the explanation will come later. Sometimes the evidence arrives after the leap, not before. Today is one of those days where what we do carries more weight than we realize. Today, the sky draws a line between where we've been and where we're meant to go. Something is aligning beneath the surface. The compass isn't in the mind today. It's in the gut, in the shiver, and in the thing that won't leave us alone. That restlessness is not chaos, it's direction. Something rare is in the air today. A charged alignment that ties our actions to collective purpose, as though what we choose right now is part of something larger than ourselves. This is a day to follow rather than push, to let action arise from something deeper than will. At the same time, a fierce and unapologetic harmony opens. What you love and what is wild in you finally speaking the same language. Clarity may arrive as feeling rather than understanding, and that's fine. The body knows before the mind does. This is a day for letting your next move be guided by what calls you, not what makes sense. May your day be filled with love and light.